So everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to computer period. And we were learning browsing the internet. New lesson we had started on that day. We had learned few terms from that. Okay, we had learned what is the thing that we required to download, to send emails, for social networking, for searching information, or for downloading something. What we need, so we had the answer that we need internet. So what we need? We need internet. Then what is internet we have learned? Then on that day I had informed you, okay, or told you the full form of internet. Who will tell us the full form of internet?
Shall I?
Yes, Sarthak?
International network.
Yes, it is international network. The network of a computer all over the world is called internet. Then we have learned what are the basic requirements are there for internet connection. अगर हमारे घर में हमें internet connection, what Krishna?
What is meant by ROM and RAM?
What is meant by ROM and RAM? This you are asking in third lesson. That was in first lesson. So when we will be having revision period, that time I will explain that beta. Else you do one thing after virtual school, you call me, I'll explain that beta. Okay. Now focus on this topic.
Memory.
What is the basic requirement for internet connection? Means if you want to take connection at home, if you want to have internet connection at home, then what are the things you need? So first you need to have ISP. On that day, Shaurya, I had informed you the full form of ISP. What is the full form of ISP, Shaurya? Shaurya,
Sir, I know. Sir, I have also.
Shaurya.
Sir, you Sir, I know. Sir, can I sing?
Internet. No, she's not answering. Okay, Gargi Kulkarni, miss.
Sir, can I
Yes.
sing?
हाँ बेटा, tell us what's the full form of ISP?
Internet service provider.
Very good, excellent, Samiksha. Very good. So ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Yes, Avnish has also given the answer. Very good, Avnish beta. So Internet Service Provider, that means ISP. So we have different ISPs around us. हमारे पास में बहुत सारे ISPs we have a Jio, Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, Tata Docomo, BSNL. In Idea and Vodafone has merged and become yes, Airtel. Yes. So these are few internet service providers that are providing us with the internet. Then along with the internet service provider, we required a device. And what is the name of that device? It is called modem. Okay, it is called modem. Why we need? Because we need that to convert analog signal of a telephone line to digital signal of a computer, or a digital signal of a computer to analog signal of your wire, that is your telephone wire or digital subscriber wire. For that we need modem. So modem ke wajah se hi we can access our internet. Next, so that requirements we have seen. Now we are going to learn about www. So what is this www? If you might have seen any website, Beta, if you will not let me complete, how will ask you something regarding that. Okay, so what is this www? So this www is full, it's a short form of World Wide Web. And if you have seen any website, जो भी website आप देखोगे उसके सामने it starts with www.betweenus.org or betweenus.in, betweenus.com. This kind of websites are there, but for our we are using www.betweenus.in. This is our website for your tomorrow's exam. So that starting www, that is the shortcut of the word World Wide Web. Now what is meant by this World Wide Web? So world means पूरी दुनिया, world means entire universe, पूरी दुनिया पर earth, and wide means overall, सभी की जगह पे, and web, web means network. So www, that is World Wide Web, means internet connection of computers which are at different location. Okay, so it is a network of a computer, or we can say huge pool of information stored in the different computers around the world. We have already learned there are 5 oceans are there, okay, and the 7 continents are there. So along with that it becomes our world. But for on our earth, near about 71% water is there. So that is quite a huge number, and like that our www is also huge pool of information. You type anything and it will give you information about that. And nowadays this World Wide Web has become so handy. It will be in your hand. ये आपके हाथ में आ गया है. If you are using a phone, using that phone you can, no need to type also, you can just search, or you can just ask, like Google Assistant is there, Alexa is there, Siri is there, Bixby is there, many voice assistants are there which gives you information about anything. Right now, suppose you want to know what is the population of India. So what we will do, we just ask, what is the population of India?
The population of India was 1,366,417,754.
See here, I just spoke with that Google Assistant, and Google Assistant gave me an answer that in 2019 we had 136.64 crores of population. The same thing, you can ask anything to Google. आप कुछ भी कह सकते हो. If you are bored, or if you want just to play a song, that also it can do. Or if you want your Google Assistant to tell you a joke. See here, I am starting Google Assistant now. Tell me a joke, and now it will start.
What does a nosy pepper do? It gets jalapeno business.
So it informs us with the jokes also. If you start your Google Assistant, if you ask, tell me a joke, it will tell you a joke. If you ask a single song for me, it will sing a song for you, or a play song, it will play song. If you just flip a coin, आप अगर head and tail कर रहे हो, just inform, just flip a coin and it will give you head or tail. So whatever you need, you just have to ask assistant nowadays. No need to type. Krishna Randir Patil, please mute yourself. Huh? I won't repeat it again. This is the second time I have done. Third time you will be removed from the class, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, so this www is a huge pool of information which has information of anything. Yes, beta?
Sir, what is meaning of huge pool?
Huge pool. Huge yani the thing which we cannot express in number, which is a huge one. Okay, that is matlab we can say na, huge mountains are there, huge something is there. Okay, so huge means a very large, which cannot be expressed in particular number. And pool means a swimming pool type is there now, so it is like a pool. So a thing where we have stored that particular one. So huge pool means it is, we cannot count that in number, that much information we have on internet. If you type how to prepare, it will give you related option, how to prepare tea, how to prepare breakfast, how to prepare this, how to prepare that. Even you can search for how to prepare bomb. Means internet has a good thing also and bad things also. It depends on us, but it will give you details of each and everything. Okay, so that is how internet is. So it is a network of computer all over the world. पूरी दुनिया के कंप्यूटर का network, that www is there. And what is the full form of www? It is World Wide Web. Okay, now next one is web page. Now what is web page? Who will tell me what is web page? Who will tell me what is web page?
Can I tell?
Yes.
An individual of information.
Yes, an individual page of your information. Or like suppose this is a book. This is a book. Okay, a TikTok book is there. All pages are together, they are formed this book. All pages together, they are binded, and then they have become one book. But if I'll take any one book, any one page out of it, okay, if I'll take any one page out of it, suppose I took this one out, one page I have taken out, so this is a single page. Okay, this is single page, this is not a complete book, this is single page. Then web page means a page which we are looking at using our browser. Okay, looking at our browser. Now what is meant by browser? Who will tell me what is meant by browser?
Like Google, sir. Google Firefox.
Google website.
Rohit Mote, you tell us what is meant by browser.
Search engine.
Search engine, not the correct one. Search engine is a different one. Browser is a different one. Like Google Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, these are the browser. And Google itself is a search engine. So what is the difference between Google and browser? Who will tell us? Who will tell us, beta?
They are giving us information.
Yes, they are giving us information. So here we are going to learn some components.
Wikipedia also.
Wait, we are going to learn about some components of www. Means ये www बना कैसे है? So www, that is a World Wide Web, which is a network of a computer all over the world, which is made up of small web pages. So what is web page? Web page is a single page. Okay, web page is a single page on the internet. Okay, and when we combine multiple pages together, okay, when we combine multiple pages together, it will become website. So web page means a single individual page of information. A single individual page of information is called web page. And if multiple pages are there, if collection of web pages is there, that is called website. A single page of information is called web page. And if multiple pages are there, those are called website. Now this is a web page. Now, what is the web page and what is the website? So, website is a collection of web pages. But what is web page? Individual page. Web page. Soham Kumar, why your mic is on, beta?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
I'm not speaking right now. Okay. I was speaking with Soham. Soham Kumar, please mute.
Sir, your voice is coming.
Yes, yes, I know that, but I have also started it. I can also see myself in other device, so I know whether my voice is coming or not. Okay, so thank you for informing Ananya. Very, that's very nice of you. Okay, so we have learned what is web page. A single page of information, that is called a web page. And when we combine multiple web pages together, that will become one website. That will become one website. So what is the difference between web page and website? So single page is called web page. Single individual page of information is called web page, and collection of web pages is called website. That is the basic difference between web page and website. That is the basic difference, beta. Now next one. What is the next component of www? Two components we have seen. Component number one, it is web page, and component number two, it is website. Okay. Now here let me ask Tejal Patil. Could you please tell us the spelling of web page?
WEBPAGE. Web page.
Very good. WEBPAG, web page. And Ananya, you tell us the spelling of website. Ananya, what is the spelling of website, beta?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell? Sir, please give me chance.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Avir, beta, you tell us what is.
Sir, can I tell?
WEBSITE.
Yes, WEBSITE website. Now we have here information. Word information is there. Priyadal Naik, please tell us the spelling of information. Priya, beta, you please tell us.
Sir, can I?
Yes,
Sir,
Arya.
can I?
Very good. Now when Adya was saying or reciting the spelling, unnecessarily few are there. Manwa, Disindraini and Tasmiya. You were also reciting the same. But I have informed already that if you keep your mic off, I'll definitely give you a chance. Please. Okay. So we have learned about two components of www, that is a web page and website. Now what is the third component? This is called hyperlink. What it is called? Hyperlink. When web page contains some highlighted text. Web page contains some highlighted text or images that connect to other pages are called hyperlink. I'll show you with the example. Okay, so let me open this, our blog. Let me open.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
I'm not speaking. You are saying, beta. If I'm speaking, my voice will come. Please, just be there for some time, beta. एक मिनट के लिए भी no wait, let it open. So we have opened our blog. Okay, Udar International School dot
Sir,
com.
the
That is
screen is only that hyperlinks page.
yes, beta. I have not shared screen. Yes, I know it is there. I have not shared. Okay, I have not shared, beta. So just listen it first. Then now I have opened our school blog. Okay, so now I am presenting my screen. So here we go. Okay, so this is our school blog. You all might have visited it once or twice. या फिर you might be visiting it daily. So this is like
Sir, बताए मुझे.
just wait. This is what we say.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Swara Gogre, some name is there who is saying screen is not visible, but if the same problem persists, you leave the class and join it again. पहले class leave करो and join it again, please. So this is our school blog, okay, on which you will get everything over there. So this is like a website, kind of a website. Now here can you see a word class 4 is given, and if I'm clicking on that class 4 word, automatically we are going to that particular page. So that class 4 word is called hyperlink. That class 4 word is called hyperlink. कौन बोला मुझे पता है? बना रहे. If you know, leave the class beta and read lesson only. Let others understand ना बेटा. मैं लास्ट में जब पूछूंगा तब बता देना. Okay? Now, so this that class we have clicked on class 4 and new page open. Okay, this single page is there. That is called web page. Now we'll click on computer and automatically it has diverted us to the new page. Automatically it has diverted us to the new page. So we will open that new page and see here. This page belongs to class 4 computer only. Okay, this page belongs to class 4 computer only. And if you go here, you can see textbook exercise, workbook exercise. These are the all links are there. So these links are called hyperlink. We have Podar International School, Usmanabad, the blog is there, complete blog. That is like a website. And right now we are on a single page, that is a class 4 computer. So single page class 4 computer is a single individual page of information which is called web page. And if you go to the home page where all pages are connected, this is like a website. This is the kind of a website that we have. And when I'm clicking on somewhere, we are going to that particular location or that particular page. Here I clicked on class 1, we are going to class 1. If I clicking on class 2, we are going to class 2. If I'm clicking on class 3, we are going to class 3. Same about class 4, class 5, or if I'm clicking on more, automatically it will give you remaining options also. So when I'm clicking and we are going to that particular location, means what we are doing? We are using hyperlinks. Single page of information is called web page, and when multiple pages are joined together, that are called hyperlinks. Sweshri, please tell us the spelling of hyperlink.
Hyperlink.
Rudra, I didn't ask you, beta. Tasmiya, you tell us the spelling of hyperlink.
Yes. HYPERLINKS.
Very good. Now, who else will repeat the spelling? Karnadev.
Sir, I will. Sir, I will. SYPERLINKS.
Shahnawaz, I did not ask you. Unnecessarily, please. Oh, no. Listen. Now, today we have learned 3 topics. Components of www. So, we have learned 3 components. Web page, website, and hyperlink. And in today's homework, you have to write about all of them in detail. Okay, in 2-3 lines you have to write about web page, website, and hyperlink. From tomorrow onwards you will be having your exams. Okay, so I wish you
Sir, what you have to write?
exams.